Hi students, I want to welcome you to Core 260 or BUAD 226, Personal Financial Stewardship. I'm super excited that you chose this course because I feel like it is very important. You're going to use it the rest of your life. You're going to learn some things this semester that will be so helpful to you adulting. So I just wanted to introduce myself first as we get started. I am Professor Candace Brands, and I am a faculty member of the business department here at Dordt University. And I live by Inwood, Iowa. My husband is a farmer there, so I have lots of experience in finances through that. I have 4 kids, which also has given me a lot of experience with personal finance. Kids are expensive. My daughter is she'll be a sophomore at Dordt University. I have another daughter, a senior at Western, and a son who's a sophomore at Western Christian in Hall, Iowa, and then another son who is going to be in 6th grade. And let's see if I have a picture. There we go. I graduated with my MBA from University of Sioux Falls. I worked at Avera in Sioux Falls, South Dakota for about 10 of 16 years. I had a few years in there where I stayed home full-time with my kids, which was a wonderful blessing. And I have been working at Dordt now for the last 2 years. I worked in the online department first for the first year and a half and just really enjoyed it. This last semester, the spring semester, has been my first full-time semester as a faculty here at Dordt University, and I love it, and I love teaching this course, and I'm super excited to meet all of you as well. And so I just would love for you to take a little bit of time to introduce yourself, tell me a little bit about you, where you're from, what's your major, what you're hoping to learn in this class I think would be important as well, and just introduce yourself to your classmates. And I look forward to getting to know you all better. I hope you have a great day.